Chapter 8. Relief of Choking. Welcome to Choking in Adults and Children. In this video, we will discuss relief of choking in adults and children. Choking is a common but highly preventable cause of cardiac arrest. If it's a mild obstruction and the individual is breathing, wheezing, and coughing, stay with the individual and encourage them to stay calm and cough. If it's more severe and the individual has little to no breathing and is making little to no noise, use the Heimlich maneuver and call EMS. If the individual becomes unresponsive, then begin BLS steps. To do the Heimlich maneuver, or abdominal thrusts, stand behind the responsive individual and wrap your arms around their waist under their ribcage. Put the side of your fist above the individual's navel in the middle of the belly. Do not press on the lower part of the sternum. Using your other hand, hold the first fist and press forcefully into the individual's abdomen and up toward the chest. Continue performing these thrusts until the obstruction is relieved or until the individual becomes unresponsive. If you can see a foreign object in the individual's mouth and can easily remove it, then do so. Watch and feel for the breathing to begin. If the individual does not begin breathing, continue to provide CPR and rescue breaths until help arrives. This concludes our lesson on choking in adults and children. Next, we will review choking in infants.